How long can we expect OPEC to keep discipline with Brent getting up to $70 a barrel?
Well, I definitely think that they're going to be inclined to want to back away from that number with oil at $70. I mean, I think OPEC was trying to get the oil price maybe towards the $60 level. I think 70 is too high, and we probably would see the cartel unwind that agreement when they meet in June.
Randy, there was an assumption that when we got through 60, when we got through 65, there would be a significant supply response here in the United States. Are you seeing that supply response?
Well, it takes time, of course, but right now, I mean, the companies are still, professing a lot of capital discipline, so they're really still continuing to budget around a price that's, $5 to $10 below where the market is today. But keep in mind, we are still going to see a tremendous amount of production growth out of the U.S. this year. We're going to see probably just under 1 million barrels a day year-over-year growth. So we're still seeing a lot of growth. And you also have to keep in mind the strip is backwardated. So, the producers are looking at that calendar 19 and seeing that that's about $5 or $6 lower.
Randy, the story last year was a big rally in the commodity price. Then we didn't see the subsequent rally in the equity market in the same way. You didn't see the oil majors in the US, in Europe, the players in Canada rally in the same way that the crude price did. Why do you think that was the case, and do you think it's going to change?
Yeah, I mean, I think, the reason we didn't see it is because it was really perceived as probably temporary. I don't think investors were prepared to bet on a temporary rise in oil prices. It really seemed to be tied to rising geopolitical risk. But you're absolutely right. I mean, there's a big gap there now on the valuations versus the broader market. We're trading probably at the widest discounts we've been in since, the mid-2000s. So I really do think, if we've taken away the risk of a downside move in oil to something in the 40s and we've got attractive valuations, we'll finally see the equity start to catch up.